I just wanted a better future for I mean, there's times where my mom was working like 3 jobs and I see her like really, really down. Money was tight. There was a lot of tension between my parents. There was a lot of things that we couldn't do. I remember even sometimes if we have to drive far away, like for example, Harrison Lake, Hot Spring. It's like 2 hours drive, whatever. Like they would actually be like, okay, how much money does that cost in gas? Like I obviously that is something that they had to think about because the money was tight. But for me, it was like when I grow up, when I can start making money, there's 0% I'm ever gonna think like that because I hated that environment. I absolutely hated it. So it was a very big motivating factor for me to run away from that environment as fast and as hard as possible to get away from that as far as possible. So that's why at such an early age, whenever I find opportunities to make money, I was like, I want to do that. I want to do this. I want to do that. I can make money here. I can make money there. I played poker. I sucked at it, but all these different things. Um, Anything that can make me money legally. I've never done any sort of like illegal stuff, which actually I'm now looking back, I'm very, very grateful for because how my parents raised me up. Because there were times, and I'll be honest, like I have some friends that dealt drugs and stuff like that. I could have done something easily for them, right? Like they would have paid me a couple $100 a day to like do whatever. I could have easily have done them. And as sometimes I think about this a lot actually, is as hungry as I was, as money oriented I was, I never actually went down that path, which I'm really, really, really glad about now looking back.